Welcome to the ATMOCE M-ELV battery installation guide for retrofit scenario. Please review the user manual carefully. Ensure you have the following tools ready for installation. For your safety, wear full personal protective equipment during installation. Now, let's unpack the battery and review all included accessories. Remove the upper cover. Insert the handlebars. Position the marking plate and use a spirit level for proper leveling. Then mark drilling points. Drill holes at the marked points. Insert expansion screws. Then install the mounting lug or mounting plate. Loosen the cabinet screws, then remove the cover. Install waterproof glands. Route the cable through the battery's cable entry port. Connect the power cable and the CAN cable. Connect power cable and CAN cable according to the labeled terminals. Ensure the wiring is correct. Let's learn how to wiring to the existing system. Position DIN rail on the wall. Use a spirit level for proper leveling. Remove the gateway's wiring cabinet. Step 1. Terminate the CAN cable to the gateway's terminal block. Step 2. Route battery power cable from battery to distribution panel. Step 3. Connect battery CT signal cable to battery CT terminal. Step 4. Connect power cables between distribution panel and gateway. Step 5. Connect grid CT signal cable. Step 6. Connect PV power cable. Step 7. Insert CT signal cable into PV CT terminal. Arrange the cables and check the wiring is correct. Follow the guidance to reinstall the cabinet cover. Close the upper cover. Open the ATMOCE app and follow the in-app deployment guide to activate the system. Once activated, the battery state of charge indicator will stay blue. The battery installation is now complete.